Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. In this video I will show you a new strategy to find the best meme coins. 30,000 meme coins are created every day on pump.fun and 99% of them are going to fail. But if you can pick out one coin that makes it, you can create life-changing wealth. Finding these hidden gems before they explode is the key, and in this video I will show you the exact strategy to do it. The best meme coin traders rely on advanced tools and have access to insider information, but with the right approach, even beginners can level the playing field. The first step to successful trading is doing your research. I use specific filters on Dexscreener to sift through all the scam tokens. To start, I avoid tokens with a market cap below 80,000 or above 10 million. The 5-minute volume must show some decent activity, so I am looking for coins with at least $10,000 in trading volume. Some projects have a yellow lightning bolt and a number behind them. These are boosted coins, which means that the team has invested money in promoting their token. They do this because they believe in their coin and are willing to make it succeed. However, you want to stay away from coins with excessive boosting. A good coin should be boosted between 200 to maximum 1000. Meme coins are driven by news events. A token with a strong, relatable meme stands a better chance of capturing public attention and going viral. After gathering a list of promising tokens on Dexscreener, the next step is to analyze them. Make sure the liquidity is locked and burned. If there is a green circle around the lock icon, you're fine. Check out the Twitter or X, Telegram or the website to see if people are interacting with the token. I copy and paste the address and the TradeWiz bot to see if the token is bundled. If more than 20 or 30% of the tokens are bundled wallets, then I do not trade them. I also entered the token address in the RugCheck website to see if there are any alerts popping up. Some tokens are copycat tokens or have a low liquidity, which means they can be difficult to trade. You can also use the Sui Sniper website to check the token safety. Enter the token address and you will get a whole list with details about the coin. The sniff score should be above 80 and you can see the amount of wallets with the biggest supply and the token holders. The website is free to use, and if you connect your Phantom wallet, you can see all your recent wallet activity. I also paste the token address in the call analyzer bot. This Telegram bot pulls data from the biggest alpha call channels, showing which projects are trending. You can see a list with all the call channels that are talking about the coin and the market cap and the success rates. If a coin is talked about a lot, then more people will check it out and start trading it, which makes the price go up. If you get in early, you can easily make a 40 or 50% profit. You don't want to wait for a 10x or higher, because most coins drop soon after hitting their all-time high. If you are too greedy, you will lose a lot of money in most cases. If you have a Photon account and click the Photon link in the call analyzer bot, you can trade the token instantly on the Photon exchange. If you don't have an account on Photon, use my referral link below to get a 10% discount on all your trading fees. Photon is an easy-to-use meme coin trading exchange and comes with enough tools for beginners. On the meme scope page you can see all the latest coins as well as projects that have graduated or about to graduate from pump.fun or Moonshot. The quick buy function allows you to buy meme coins with one button click. Just modify the slippage and the amount of sol to use before you start using these buttons. Every time you trade on Photon, whether buying or selling, you earn points, and inviting friends to sign up and trade adds even more to your total points. You can track your score on the leaderboard page. The top 100 earners each week win a share of the weekly jackpot of Photon points. The more you trade, the higher you'll climb on the leaderboard. These points will also count for the Photon airdrop, so keep your eyes open for special announcements from Photon. Photon also has all the technical tools like the EMA and the RSI and Fibonacci retracement tool, etc. An upward EMA line often signals a price surge, and a low RSI indicates a good entry point, while a high RSI suggests that it's time to sell. The most successful trades happen when all the technical indicators align, when the token has a strong community and no security warnings. If you keep these steps in mind, you will find the next potential 10x or 100x coin. Okay, I hope this information will help you to become a better trader. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, smash the subscribe button and the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Thank you for watching my video again, and trade safely. Bye bye.